Hello everyone, how are you all today? I hope you are doing well at home. So welcome back to my class. So as you can see here, 7th lesson Sona's adventure is the deleted one. But we have to continue the grammar part, right? So I'll be explaining you the grammar part, that is simple past tense. Suddenly Sona stopped. Caw, the crow, watched them from a nearby tree. So the words in color are in the simple past tense. Stopped, watched are the simple past tense forms of the verbs stop and watch. So we use the simple past tense to talk about an action before now. We use words like yesterday, last week, last night and so on when we talk about the past. For example, the camels reached the pond last night. Here reached and last night is the simple past tense. Okay, this action already done. Now let us see in detail simple past tense. Here as you can see, simple past tense, we have three forms, that is first one is affirmative form. So we use affirmative form and the rule is subject plus verb in the past tense, V2 form. And I have used here past tense of eat, that is ate. So let's see now. I ate, you ate, we ate, they ate, he ate, she ate and it ate. So this is the affirmative form, subject plus V2 form. And the next is the negative form and the rule is subject plus did not plus V1. And I have used here not and simple present tense verb, that is eat. So let's see. I did not eat, you did not eat, we did not eat, they did not eat, he did not eat, she did not eat and it did not eat. So well, this is the negative form and the rule is subject plus did not plus V1. The next is negative form. The same rule, subject plus did not plus V1 and here is the eat. And I have used here contraction form didn't. I didn't eat, you didn't eat, we didn't eat, they didn't eat, he didn't eat, she didn't eat and it didn't eat. So this I have used in a contraction form. The next one is the interrogative form. Interrogative form is nothing but asking a question. Here the rule is did plus subject plus V1. And I have used eat with a question mark. So let's start. Did I eat? Did you eat? Did we eat? Did they eat? Did he eat? Did she eat? Did it eat? This was in the negative interrogative form. The next is the next interrogative form, but it is in the contraction form. Didn't I eat? Didn't you eat? Didn't we eat? Didn't they eat? Didn't he eat? Didn't she eat? And didn't it eat? Okay, this is the interrogative form in the contraction form. Next one is the WH question words. So let us see the sentence formation. What did I eat? When did I eat? Why did I eat? How did I eat? And where did I eat? What did you eat? When did you eat? Why did you eat? How did you eat? And where did you eat? In this way you can use the different questions. Why did we eat? Why did they eat? Why did he eat? Why did she eat? How did we eat? How did they eat? How did he eat? And where did he eat? Where did she eat? Where did I eat? Okay? Well, so as you can see here, I have used the TLM for simple past tense, that is affirmative, negative and interrogative. Here the verbs I have taken eat, ate, interrogative question mark, negative not, and these are the rules. So I hope I hope you have understood the simple past tense clearly in detail. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.